Rizal, start again. Show them again your marble run. This is our new marble run. Look at that. The purpose of the triangle is to slow the ball down so it doesn't fly off the rails, okay? So you can use that.
This one cannot block inside.
Oh, look at that.
Look at this. This one cannot try to block. Only what this can do. But whether this one stuck.
Okay, you try without the triangle blocking. Okay, now try one more time. Go put the ball. See? Show them. Sometimes this will actually let the ball fly off. Let's see, show you. If it's too fast, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, let's go. No. Hazel, don't block. I'm showing. There, see? See, if we don't use the triangle, the ball can fly off. But now, if we use the triangle, just to slow it down, this is a tip, yeah? Okay, go, hurry up. Put it back again.
Why this one only can go
One. Maybe that one is lighter a bit, the ball. Okay, go. See, that acts as a speed bump to slow it down, right, Hazel?
It's jet bump.
Then it will spin and spin and spin.
You know, this one spin and spin and spin. And Daddy will come in, and I following to go down, Daddy. Following to go over like this.
What? Okay. How the ball spin? Okay. Now, say bye-bye to everybody. Next time we show you again.
Next time we show you again.
Bye.